Is she coming? Boy, careful. So, Good morning! Good morning, guys! Happy Thursday! Today is July 13. Pupunta tayo sa shed para kunin yung caravan. It's alright, Baba, because we're just gonna drive closer. Si Kuya hindi sumama. Kukunin lang naman natin yung caravan. Then, we're off to... Right. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning si Kuya. Kagigising lang ni Kuya. Kung nga wala pang hilamos. Wala pa tayong hilamos, wala pa tayong ligo. Pagdating na lang mamaya, kunin lang muna namin yung caravan kasi i-hook yung caravan dito sa car. Good morning, Bear. Siyang aga niya, sa wakas, na ano niya, na car wash niya yung car na gusto niyang linis. Kasi minano-mano niya. Sobrang lamig, pero kinarwash niya pa rin yung car sa labas. Bago tayo pumunta sa shed, magpapa-fuel muna tayo dito. Para good to go ng ating car. Tapos na tayo magpagas, pero babalik tayo sa bahay kasi nakalimutan ni Johnny Boy yung key sa shed. O, diba? Buti na lang siya yung nakalimot ng key kasi kung ako yan, nasermonan niya na ako. Nasermonan. Bakit po kinalimutan? Kaya tayo pupunta doon. Buti na lang siya. Siya naman may hawak nun. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong itsura nun kasi never ko yung nakita. Kasi siya naman lagi nasa shed. Nandito na tayo. Ang bilis lang. Nasa isang car niya lang naman yung key ng caravan. Ay, ng caravan, ng shed. Yung malaking shed. Okay. Dito na tayo. What? The brown one? The light one?
Oh, yeah,
May binili siyang dalawang cow. May binili siyang bagong dalawang cows. Pero yung dalawang yon ay yung kakatayin para ulamin namin. So, mayroong isa, hindi ko alam kung kailan niya ipapakatay. Andun, may kahapon lang. So, meron tayong 14 cows.
Yeah. So they were gonna eat.
Yung dalawa doon. Yung dalawa doon ang kakainin.
Steaks, Jack.
Oh.
What kind of steak?
Bible steaks, Scots.
Scott. Ram.
T-bones.
Yeah.
Chopped mince.
Oh, yeah. So, lahat
I
ng...
have all of it in that book.
Ano, yeah. Ayun, yung isa, dalawa. Ayun yung dalawa, oh.
Just getting used to it. It's still...
Yeah, bago lang sila eh. Kahapon lang yun dineliver dito. Pag ano, on the way kami, tinawagan si John. 'Di ba kasi galing nagda-drive kami pauwi. Galing Adelaide. So tinawagan siya, sabi niya just drop daw dito sa ano, sa farm. And yung ating mga ibibentang mga cows ay ang lulusog na nila. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yan ibibenta ni John, pero yeah, malulusog na sila, ang lalaki na nila. Hindi ko na kayo na-update, no? Eto, andyan yung mga baka. Wait lang, Han. Ayan. Angus. Ayan sila. Ang lalaki na nila. Tapos yung dalawa, ayun. Nagtutur muna sila sa sa farm. And meron pala tayo dito. Naririnig nyo yan? Ano yan? Generator. Para mabuksan yung ating yung roller. Yan. Ayan na si Sak. Tagalan nila hindi nagagamit yan kasi nandito lang yan sa shed. And meron pala ako dito, guys, na marami akong i-unbox. Dito ko muna in-stock sa shed kasi wala talaga pa akong time na gawin ang mga to. Ang dami ko, lahat yan. Meron tayo sa Amazon. Mga ilang buwan na sila. Kung pagkain to, wala na. Expired na mga to. Pero hindi naman itong mga, wala ditong pagkain. Mga kung ano-ano yan. Merong sa kusina. Basta, Joanna Lau. Free. Sa live selling ko pa yun. Ayan, isang malaking box. May parcels. Ayan, oh. Ayan, dami niyan. Basta dito ko muna pinalagay kay dyan. Baka dito ko na rin to i-unbox one day. Pero Not this time. Ayan, oh. Lahat yan. Ayan. Dito kasi. Ayan. Ayan. Matagal ko na itong mga na-order and then pa isa-isa silang dumating. Tapos, na-busy ako. Wala na akong time. Kasi lagi kaming umaalis din. And basta, ewan ko ba't nawalan akong time mag-unbox nito. Pero yeah, one day, unbox natin ang mga yun kasi madami-dami yan. Diba? Ito sa Amazon to. Meron pa akong isang malaki. Ewan kung saan linagay ni Jan. Ito ba? Hindi. Hindi yan. Meron akong malaki. Siguro nandun sa isang shed. Ha? Ha? Caravan? Yeah. I know it's here. Nandito rin kasi yung caravan nila, Kylie. Ayan yung caravan ni Kylie. Okay, ready, ha?
There's got to be right there. Not off to the center, off, right there. So you sit here and look at the
Usually si Kuya TJ ang gumagawa nito kasi hindi sumama.
Just see if it's going to be high enough. It should be.
More. Babe, I stop! Kailangan tong i-lift kasi tingnan niyo mababa siya. More. Ayan, inangat niya na. A little bit here, Han.
Right a little
Right, Han. Right. Yeah. Go. A little bit. Sige, more. Okay. Oops, too much, babe. Too much. Forward. I think you're good, Han. Oh, I think you're good. Yeah?
Wanting you to stop.
All right.
Holly,
We're
that
good.
side, Bub. Take them out.
Take that yellow, Baba. And another one. Yeah, take that out. Is it hard?
This one's hard.
Oh, it's hard. Oh. You need more muzzle, Baba. Yan yung kadena. Kadenang bulaklak. Uy, napanood nyo yun? Ang tagal na nun.
Because we'll put them clothes in the caravan. We've got to put the skirt.
Okay. Malapit na tayong matapos dito. Kadenang bulaklak. Ang ganda nun. Napaka-classic na nun. Ang daming ikakabit pa. Okay. Malapit na tayong matapos dito. And yung maliit na boat, yung tawag nila ay dinghy. Andito na siya. Ayan. Ang ingay ng ating mga kalabaw, ng ating mga baka.
Because we'll put them clothes in the caravan. We've got to put the skirt.
Okay. Malapit na tayong matapos dito. Ayan pala yung car natin, oh. Sobrang linis niya na. Ang shiny. Kasi nga, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, nilinis siya ni Jan. Okay. Alis na tayo. Kailangan i-guide ni Zach si daddy niya. Pabalik na tayo sa bahay.
Why isn't my car safe? Mom, video clears that. No.
So, dito na tayo sa bahay. Hindi na namin pinasok doon. Kasi, para hindi na mahirapan mag-park. So, dito na lang pinark sa gate. Kasi, magre-ready lang naman kami. Maliligo and then alis na. Kasi yung mga damit nandyan, diba? Naglaba ako. Nandyan na yung mga damit. Pero ilalagay namin doon sa caravan. Kasi ilalagay yung mga scooters ng mga bata dyan sa likod ng car. So, yan. Mag-ready. Yeah, it's nice. Na. Ayan, kaalis-alis lang natin sa bahay. Dito na si Kuya. Say good morning, ya. Ay, good afternoon na pala. Good afternoon, ya. Good afternoon. 12:03. And si Holly, tingnan nyo. Naka-makeup siya. Share to them. And binibiro siya ng mga boys. Okay, we're off to Rob. How many minutes? How many minutes? How many hours?
1 hour and 30.
1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. Kumakain na sila ng cracklings. Say thanks to the rice.
Thanks to the rice. Thank you.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Dito na tayo sa Rob.
I remember that
Punta lang tayo kung saan tayo mag-stay. Holiday Parks, right, Han? 2 minutes early tayo. Magpausok muna siya.
Which playground?
1:44 now, magpi-playground sila. Yun yung playground. Nakapunta na kayo dito before? Yung dalawa, iniwan namin. Nandun sila sa park. Ayan si Zach. Nag-monkey bar na naman doon si Zach. Dito tayo sa Discovery Park. Punta muna siya sa reception. Dito na si Jan. And may lobster siya.
Right. Hold that.
Ayan, Rob's lobster.
Right.
What number? Where's that? Nandito na yung boys.
We ran here.
Si Zach mag-aangat ng
Tell
ano.
Zach I'll pick him up there.
Dad, he'll pick you up
May
first.
may number kasing ano.
This way.
Oh. Nice. Aki boy. Ginaguide ko si Jan. May pamap tayo dito. You're gonna turn right hand.
27 degrees about. Right, Dad?
Ayan. Yan. Pina-follow lang natin yung block.
In the summer, this
Okay.
is
Full.
like full.
Yeah.
There's a playground.
Lamig. Mahangin. Okay, nakapwesto na yung ating caravan. Malamig, guys. And wala masyado. Walang caravan masyado. Isa lang atang nakikita ko.
Where's that paper and all that? Don't
Here,
worry.
here.
Need that.
Malulubat. Ayan. And yun na si Sak, nagbabackflip na doon. Malapit tayo sa playground. Mayroon doon na jumping pillow. And yung camp kitchen, ayan lang. Tapos yung toilet sa likod. Okay. And si Kuya, alams na. Tulungan mo na si Daddy. Hiniram ko na yung Kathmandu ni Johnny Boy na jacket. And si Kuya, ayun, naka-jacket na rin siya kasi malamig. Mahangin. So, sineset up na nila yung mahangin. And super lamig. Where's Holly? Ayun si Holly. Doon pa rin siya sa park. Katapat na naman natin park, which is good. Hindi na lang namin ilalagay kasi 30 knots daw yung wind. So, baka hindi kayanin ng hangin. So, binalik na lang ulit. Alis tayo kasi mag-grocery tayo. Kunti lang naman yung kukunin natin. Punta tayo na wala ditong Coles at wala rin ditong Woolies. Ang meron sila dito ay IGA. So, doon tayo mag-grocery. So, wala tayong Annex. Kasi mahangin. Mahangin. Susuot ko na yung Kathmandu ni Johnny because malamig.
Mom.
What are you doing wearing it, bug?
You
It'll
can
smell
have
like
it.
a girl.
No, it's not gonna smell like a girl.
You didn't want one, remember?
Yeah, I don't want it. I don't want. Break tayo kasi naiwan ni Jan na bukas yung
I
toolbox.
can get it. No, it's not.
Well,
What? Is it a bit high? A little bit.
It looks crooked.
No, it's a
you
bit.
want the water to run off. You don't want it sitting on the roof.
Ah, that's right.
So what side
Kasi
is it?
ulan.
It's too bad.
It's
There
alright.
we go when we get in the bed. Should be alright.
Tingnan niyo, bukas yung ano. Okay, close it. Meron naman ibang
That
caravan.
room there. Oh,
And-
behind that.
Plano saan ni
Look at
Jan?
that. Look at that blowing and flapping.
Yeah, I know. Ayan, oh, tingnan niyo. Gusto sanang ipabook ni Jan yung may ensuite, yung may toilet ba tayong sarili. Kaso, hindi raw kasya kasi mahaba yung caravan natin. Kaya, doon tayo sa sharing ang toilet natin. Ito lang meron sila, Foodland. Wala kasi ditong Coles
Looks a bit dodgy.
or Woolies.
What?
Looks a bit dodgy.
No.
It's not, it's alright. Ayan yung favorite ni Kuyang, biscuit. Yeah. Well, it's up to him. What are you getting, Holly? How about you?
What? Have what?
I want these three. Huh? I want this one.
Toy.
Dito na si Johnny Boy. Naghanap sila ng lollies. Sisak nakakuha na. Ako nakakuha na. Kumuha na siya ng
What are
pythons.
jackers?
Pero malaking sultana sa bahay. Pero naiwan natin. Kuha ko nito kasi gusto ko to. Malit lang kunin natin. I think we still have it there. Yeah, no, we have Vegemite. Naghahanap ako ng dough ng croissant. Pero parang wala sila. Kasi si Kuya gustong gusto yun. Kasya ng coffee niya. And gatas and butter. Ayan si Kuya, kuha siya ng lollies. Wala. Hinanap ko dito. Wala rin sila yung croissant dito. Oh, akala ko meron. Baba, what are you getting, Baba? You already got your lollies? Okay. Kuha na lang tayo ng mixed berries. And yung totoong ano, yung luto ng waffle. Meron sila dito.
Steak or something for the barbecue tomorrow night.
Chicken
I've
barbecue.
just got some that and that. Because it'll be us and Dana.
Okay.
Not the
Yeah.
girls, though.
Alright.
I thought Dana wasn't.
Wala talaga. So, dito tayo sa mga veggies nila. Ha? What? What do you want to get? So, nakakuha na dun si Jan ng pang barbecue tomorrow. Coleslaw, Han? Classic coleslaw and creamy potato?
Yeah, we'll make those. We'll just get potato
That one.
and
Coleslaw, creamy
creamy
potato.
potato and
Big one?
yeah, just get one of each. Yep, done. I'll have a look in a minute.
Oh, no, we already have one sack. We have the big one. Do they have waffles, yeah? No, we're just gonna put it in the toaster.
Do we need this bread? Oh, yeah. Hey, just wait. Dad's gonna be. No, you have maple syrup?
No, we're gonna get one. But they only have one left. Meron din sila nito. Ito na lang siguro kasi mas maliit. But it's not gonna fit in our toaster, right? Did they toast this, huh? Wala. Binali ko na lang. No, we're not having that one yet.
What's for tea tonight?
I'm not sure. Ako ng brioche. Alam niyo naman, favorite ko tong bread. Hindi siya healthy, pero masarap. So, ang dalawa. Kumuha ko ng mandarin. Okay. I need the cheese.
Oh, that.
Yeah, this one.
What's this?
This one?
Yeah, the heavy one. Heavy duty.
Oh, you got enough snacks?
I don't think so you get snacks. Did you get some? No, we didn't. Why just the pine mango? Okay, that's alright. Okay, that's it for now.
No.
Yeah, this one. I like this.
Mint sauces. Not going to.
Kuha ko nito. Ito yung crunchy seasoned peas. No, we still have snacks there. We have ambar. Alright. Okay, that's it. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Bayad na si Johnny Boy. Ha? Vlog. Camera woman lang tayo.
Hi,
ngayon.
Mom.
Hi.
Hi. I got gobbling cup.
Okay, we're done here.
Kangaroo
Drive lang tayo dito sa along the beach.
Oh, here's another one.
Yung mga bahay dito.
What'd you get?
Can you get around to the other bit?
Ano yan?
What's that kid doing
I don't
there?
know, like I'll come and he didn't.
Dito yung mga bahay. Nakita niyo na ito before sa vlog ko.
That's how I like it, look at that. All frontage, all full on window.
That's right.
That one.
Balik na tayo.
Was on the pool.
Yeah, so little Zeke.
Laki ko tingnan dito sa
Oh, he's got a jacket like you, Zach.
jacket ni John.
Mine's more darker.
No, it's just...
Same, I think so.
I want the mini bikes.
What mini bikes?
Oh, the dinosaur ones, please.
Ah, this one?
Just shout them out first.
Ito yung kinuha nilang snacks. Madilim tayo, no?
They're like little rice crackers.
Ah, a what?
Jack, you put them under the table.
Mas malaki to. This is bigger. Zach, this is bigger, right? Than what we got from Coles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
More to share. It says more to share.
So guys, they look like this, like little rice crackers.
Can they see you?
Where?
There's salt and vinegar.
No.
Sea salt.
So, kumuha kami na paper towel yung heavy duty kasi mag-barbecue tayo. Na I'm good this one.
They're rice crackers.
I don't know.
No, they're actually.
Do you want me to get that for your snack?
Yes.
I didn't know you like rice cracker. Remember before I bought that one and no one's eat it.
Little baby too.
Baby pa kasi sila noon. Hindi nila
Oh, I like
kinakain.
them big ones. Yeah, those big ones.
Ah. We have bread. And this one, we still have this one here.
Alright,
Colby.
alright.
Still have bread. Oh, Well, where's the other bag?
On the floor.
And Twix.
On the floor.
Parang madilim, no? Madilim ba? Yes, it's so madilim. Bakit? Dito na lang. Ayan. Okay.
That better, Mom?
Yeah, better. Who got this one? Mint slice. You like this?
Yes. I don't.
Ito kay Jan. Pythons. Alams na. And where's the cold one for barbecue? Okay, give it to me so we can put that in the fridge. Marami tayo ditong meat. So, meron tayong potato salad. Nakita nyo naman to. Potato and coleslaw.
gone.
Ilalagay ko lang to sa fridge kasi bukas to kakainin. I mean yung meat. Ilalagay sa fridge lang. Hindi sa freezer. So, meron tayong steak. Di yun nga talaga kita. Madilim.
Yeah, good one.
Steak and burgers. Scotch yung kinuha ni Jan. Ilagay ko to sa plastic para hindi mag-ano sa ano.
We got chicken too.
Where's the chicken?
Marinade. No.
Marinated.
Marinade. Yeah, where are the others?
Here.
Oh.
So, we got chicken,
Marinade.
marinated, and sausages. Ang daming sausages. Ang dami ba natin? And my ham. Ham. Okay. Lagay ko lang ito sa bag para isahang bunot lang.
Yeah.
Okay. Kasya naman. Kasya ba? Masasara? Yes, masasara. We didn't get eggs. Well, we don't need eggs. Milk. Where's your juice?
I'll just pass you. Oh, this is the juice one.
We got cheese. Is this the last bag?
No, that's the last bag.
Okay, ito yung juice nyo. Is that the last bag?
Yeah. How's that going?
Talking to Dino, I think. And we got
In the
tomato
car.
sauce.
Behind the car.
And gagawa kami yung tangy sauce, yung orange. Yung cold. So kay kuya to. Who got this?
May.
Shortbread cream. Kay
That was
Holly.
May.
But you have to eat the biscuit, not just the cream, okay? That's why I don't buy this, because you always just eat the cream. Tapos may TVs. Kay Johnny Boy yan.
You used to lick the
I like this one. I don't want that to put in the
You
fridge.
used to lick the cream and then just put it back in there.
I know.
Yeah. Don't mix the
You
cream.
lazy, Holly. Siyempre, kape ni Johnny Boy. And bumili ako nito para sa aking. Gusto ko sana gumawa ng waffle, kaso wala naman sila yung croissant. Meron kayong pang press, pero hindi siya waffle press. Meron lang yung toast press. Kaso wala naman sila. Wala kasi ditong po sa constant. And kumuha tayong mandarin. Nandun sa ba yung basket niya? Who's this? Bounty.
Dad. I got it for him.
Then, bumili si Jan na Vegemite. Sabi ko, meron kayong Vegemite dito. Just in case lang daw. See? Told you we have Vegemite, I think. We have Vegemite.
How much?
I think we do. I'm gonna look later. For sure we do.
I just want one more.
I have this. Okay, that's it. I'll put this one here.
So,
Where were you going?
playground.
Okay, watch out. Okay?
I'm not
Watch
going
Holly.
yet.
I'm just gonna chuck this area, okay? Okay. Oh, why do we have another cheese?
Huh?
Oh no, this is the cheese. And, nagdala ko ng Berry Glow, pero hindi ko alam kung iinumin natin yan kasi baka tawagin tayo anytime. Anytime, baka wala tayong access. Kasi may toilet naman dito malapit, pero kung sobrang lamig, alam mo yun, yan pa naman pabalik-balik yan. Hindi yan isahan. Pwede dyan dalawa hanggang balik or tatlo. Yung pinakamarami ko, nung inunom ko yan, 4 na balik ako sa banyo. So yan, so hindi pa namin alam kung ano yung dinner namin. Kasi hinihintay pa namin yung ibang friend ni Jan. Kausap na ata ni Jan sa phone eh. So tutunin ko lang to. Meron akong bag na iwan namin. So binili natin to 10 cents ata to. Kain daw siya ng ham and cheese sandwich. Diyan gagawin. So, eto. Dito ko lang.
What are we using for pen?
Bag. We don't have a bin here. Yan yung mga tinapay ko. May Coco Pops pa pala kami dito. Nandun sa ba yung basket na lalagyan ko ng fruits. Parang gusto ko rin kumain ng tinapay, yung brioche. What?
Snuggle up tonight.
Snuggle up tonight. Beautiful. Yeah. Guys, tingnan yung nakita ko dito sa pantry. Meron pa pala ko yung Oreo. Yung last namin tong nung nagpunta tayo ng sapsasa ni Kuya. So, sabi ko kayo dyan, huwag yan sabihin sa mga bata kung nasan ang mga to. Kasi alam nila, wala na, ubos na. So, sabi ko, bigyan ko lang sila every now and then. Isa kasi, pag nakita nila to, ubusin nila to isang upuan. So, may Oreo pa. And then, yung mga bata. Ang sweet ni Sak tsaka ni Holly. Tapos, sabi niya dyan, Sak can be sweet and a freak. Kasi lagi niyang inaasar si Holly din. Pinapaiyak niya, pero sobrang sweet niya rin kay Holly. Kasi kanina nakita namin, nakakalong sa kanya si Holly habang nag-ride na yan. What do you call that, Han?
I'm gonna have this one, bugger.
Huh?
I'm gonna eat this.
Oh, kumakain ulit siya. Kadalawa na siya ng ham and cheese. Ginawa niya si TJ, pero siyang kakain yung kay TJ. No, not yet.
What was that? No backflips.
Ayun na naman si Saksop. Jumping pillow. Malapit kami lagi sa we're always close to the
Well, I said that. Put us near the tank.
yeah, close to the park. Pag may caravan tayo, ayun si Sak and si Holly. Ayun. Magandyan lang yung masusum natin. Dito na sila. So, dyan kumakain pa din. Yan yung pangalawa niya. Yung samba ba? Gumawa rin ako ng akin. Ito yung brioche na may butter and yung ating cream cheese spread. Anong oras na ba? 3:58. 3:58. Yes, 3:58. Guys, 6 o'clock na mag-dinner kami dito sa Olives. Nag-dinner kami dito before. Kasama namin si Gretel at si Mayo. Ang pangalan niya before ay The Project, yeah? Yeah. Why? Because no one's here, yeah. So, ito yung table na pinabook ni John. So, magpapasta tayo. Magsi-seafood ako. Seafood pasta. Tapos kay Sak, tsaka kay Holly, chicken tenders, chips, tomato sauce daw yung sa kanila. Si Kuya hindi niya palang kung ano. Okay, yes? Ayan na yung food ni Sak. Chicken tenders.
Thank you.
That's yours, Baba. Garlic here, yeah. Garlic bread. And one here.
What did I have again?
Yeah, garlic bread.
Chicken tenders, yeah.
Ayan. Sa mga bata, chicken tenders halos yung in order. Except kay Kuya.
Yeah, what should I say? Thank you.
Malaki, ayan. And meron tayong garlic bread. Ayun yung garlic bread. Kay Kuya is polo spaghetti ang tawag. Pero ano lang naman siya guys, yung chicken with cream sauce. Nice. Here. Thank you. Ito yung akin seafood. Yes? Good? Sak, come on, just eat. We are done. We're going back to the Caravan. Dito na pala kami sa Caravan. Pumunta kami doon sa friend ni Jan after ng dinner. Nanood ng puti. Tapos dito na, magtitimpla lang ako ng aking berry glow. Ayan. Bagong bukas, bubuksan natin kasi naubos na yung isa ko. So, i-end ko na yung vlog guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Say thank you. No, say thank you to the vlog. Thank you.
Who's guys had it for the next hour?
Aw, I like that.
What?
Good night,
Thank
guys.
you. Please like, please subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.
Inom lang ako nito. Okay guys, thank you. Ang lamig sa labas, nakauna yung heater namin. Ito sa pool ang aking mama. Gamit ko yung bigay ni Sisi Ray. So, malulobot na rin tayo na tumbler. So, good night, guys! Bye! Thank you!
Cause I think I do.